guys, and welcome to another unboxing video. So for today's unboxing, it's going to be my unboxing for the Crystal Snow. I got all 4 versions. So in the end, I'm not gonna be showing the poster because the poster is actually still in its packaging and it takes a while to, like, how they wrapped it is a bit difficult to unbox. So I won't be able to show that, but I'll probably show a picture of it in the end. So yeah, so let's first unbox the A version. So this is the A, the B, C, and the normal version. But yeah, let's get to it. So I apologize for the light, but yeah, this is the A version. This is the front. This is the back. So there's 3 songs in this album. So Mic Drop, DNA, and Crystal Snow. And for the A version, it comes with a DVD. So there's the Mic Drop Japanese music video, and the second is the Japanese version for Mic Drop dance version. So this was the packaging, and so Mic Drop's lyrics, DNA's lyrics, and Crystal Snow. As you all know, Crystal Snow, when they released Crystal Snow, if you've seen my reaction, I literally fangirled over that song. That was an amazing song. So this is the CD. And this one's the DVD. So it's kind of difficult to read some letters, but yeah. And the back is just like a bench. So that was that for the A version. Let's get on with the B version. So this one is the B version. And here's the back. So I have Mic Drop, DNA, Crystal Snow, and for the DVD, there's the Mic Drop Japanese version making of the music video and the making of the Jap kit photos. So yeah. I seriously apologize for lighting. And I believe this one is the same, the back, so I'm not taking that out. So this is the CD, like the previous one. And this is the DVD. And that was it basically for the B version. Let's get on with the C version. So here is the C version. So this is a bit thicker than the first 2 because I believe this has a photo book instead of a DVD. So as you can see, this has lesser content. So it's just the Mic Drop, DNA, and Crystal Snow. So this also has the lyrics to Mic Drop, DNA, and Crystal Snow. So we have Jungkook first, Tae, Jimin, Hoseok, Jin, Yoongi, and Namjoon. So we also have more of Jungkook, Tae. Ooh, I love this shots. Jimin, Hoseok, Jin, Yoongi, and Namjoon. And their credits. So like the previous 2, CD is a white background. And yeah, so now let's move on to the last version. So here we have the normal version. So instead of the cover having the members, it's just plain. So here we go. We have Mic Drop, DNA, and Crystal Snow cover. Focus. Hello. There we go. So the lyric booklet thingy is also the same, different. So mic drop, TNA, Crystal Snow. And the CD plate is also different. So we have a picture on it this time. And yeah, that was it for that. So that was it for all 4 versions of the Crystal Snow CDs. So yeah, once again, thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more unboxing videos, and remember to keep on shining. Bye!